Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, when you're watching, just thanks for watching. I'm Gordon with This Is How I Did It, the YouTube channel. But in today's video, I'm not going to show you how I did it, but how my son-in-law and his buddy are staining some wood. They put up a cedar fence. It's a good neighbor fence, so, it's staggered for both sides, so it looks good on both sides of the fence. Anyway, they're putting in this fence, and they got to stain a lot of cedar boards. So I thought it was pretty ingenious the way they're doing it. Got a lot of boards stained pretty quick. So anyway, I videotaped it so you guys can see how they're doing it. Let's take a look. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Hit the subscribe to get into our channel and check out all the videos on that channel. Anyway, guys, let's take a look. This video, we're going to show you guys the fast way to stain fence boards. Build a little trough, put plastic in it, put your stain in it, put your board in there. Let it sit in there and pick it up, wipe it down with a big brush, and then they just set them in those 5-gallon buckets and let them drip dry. As you can see, they've got a lot of boards to do, so pretty cool idea. I mean, they've got a lot. I mean, this is a big fence they're building. Big fence. Both sides. So, yeah, they're going to have a lot of boards to do. Anyway, kind of a cool idea. Hey guys, me again. They started with the paintbrush idea, and then they thought, no, this is taking a little bit too long. Let's go even faster. So show you what they did. Okay, so they've redone their theory on how to do this. Well, with two people now it's easier, I guess. But they're put plastic on the back side, so they have another tray of plastic behind that tub. So they're just taking the cedar boards, putting them in, dousing them, and they pick them up and let them kind of drip dry for a second, and then put them on that pile over there, which is then basically just drip it onto that other piece of plastic that they can then pick up and dump the excess back into their little trough. Okay, so guys, that was how they did it. I used to own a roofing and decking company, and we stained a mini decks, mini fences. And for a fence that big, we probably would have went through 10 to 15 gallons of stain. And they say that the way they did that, they got it all stained today. And they went through 17 gallons of that stain, which is, you'd think there'd be quite a bit of waste there, but I guess it all dripped into that secondary trough, and they just kept re-pouring it back into the main trough. But it worked pretty damn good. They got a lot of board stain in a day. And then they basically stained them, and then they just leaned them up against the fence as they went down the fence line and let them drip dry overnight along that. And then today they were shooting them on. So hopefully we'll get some pictures of that. Show you some pictures of the fence at the end here of the video here. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.